technology?
I know.
Happens wisdom? Wisdom. I'm here with the Happens Party, and I want to introduce them to you. They ask for your support. This is the council that you want to take in the next election that is coming. So I'll begin with the accommodation minister and the Happens Party. Ataambia jambo kidogo, abonge na nyinyi alafu tuendelee, si ndio? Makofi yake tafadhali.
Comrades power!
Power!
Comrades power!
Power!
Comrades Asikizaga. My name is Teresia Mokoni Nganga. A second year student, School of Engineering and Technology, aspiring to be the accommodation minister of this great Happens Party. In my docket of accommodation, we will lobby with the school management to build more hostels and allow students to cook in them. Also, we are going to make sure Wi-Fi connectivity is highly increased in terms of lecture halls. Maybe you want to Google something, you come here, you struggle. Most of you go there to the divisions. You are like the congestion is high there. So we are going to lobby with the school management to increase the Wi-Fi connectivity. Coming 20th of February, Friday, we ask for your support. Come and vote for Happens, vote for change, a safe place for comrades. Comrades power!
Power!
Comrades power!
Power!
Comrades power!
Power!
Viva comrades, viva!
Viva!
Okay, my name is Aniel Wiki from the School of Pure and Applied Sciences. I'm a second year student. I'm an aspiring minister for sports, games and entertainment under the Happens Party. We are here today to ask for your support. We have analyzed a lot of challenges facing students in different games and sports and also the entertainment sector. We are ready to work together with all the games admins to solve those problems. For example, unapata wasee wanaendanga games lakini allowance yenye wanapewa kidogo ama wanakosa kupewa kwa hizi games wanaenda za local. So we are going to push the school to do that. And when you support us guys, we'll work for you, we'll listen to you comrades. Come the 20, vote for Happens, vote for change. Comrades power! Power! Thank you.
Comrades TV!
TV!
Comrades power!
Power!
Comrades power!
Power!
Happens fever!
Viva!
Okay, I'm Agunda Masulin Akinyi, a second year taking medical laboratory science. I am the aspiring academic minister under this great team Happens Party. And in my docket, I have noticed that there's challenges, most especially mambo ya unit registration. Inasumbua haisumbui?
Inasumbua.
Si inasumbua?
Sana.
Na mambo ya portal kufunguliwa haisumbui, inasumbua? Si inasumbua sana? So in that knowledge, what am I going to do? I am going to ensure that the bursary allocation are done each and every semester so that we can access the bursaries. Happens ni fire, si fire?
Fire.
Tukifanya hivyo tutaweza kulipa school fee in time ili tuweze kuregister our units in time. Happens si noma, si noma? Happens power. Thank you.
Comrades power! Comrades Ria! Comrades Kibim! Mkwaya Ramadan and my name, aspiring finance minister under this great party, Happens Party. Happens Ria! Happens Kibim! As a finance minister, I will ensure that we increase the positions for work study and bursary allocation for you, because the new funding model, students, you are really affected with the new funding model. Comrades wisdom. Comrades Ria. So we will come up with a measure comrade initiative which will help us to curb the school dropout and deferment. Comrades wisdom. Thank you very much.
Comrades power.
Power!
Comrades power.
Power!
I'm Masek Nilai Roslin Kamila. I'm a third year student doing Bachelor of Travel and Tours Management, and I'm the Vice President at the Happens Party. So as the Vice President, we are going to introduce Bunge la Comrade Forum, which will make your leaders accountable for what they are doing for you. Comrades power.
Power!
We will have student congress whereby you guys are in a position to impeach your leaders if they are not doing the good job for you. Si ndio? Mnataka kufanya watu. Ukitupea kura kesho kama hatufanyi kazi, si mnataka kututoa. We want you to have that power to decide who is doing your
job, nani afanyi, muwatoe wenye wafanyi, si ndio? So we are asking for your support. Vote for Havens, vote for 10. Thank you.
Comrades, power!
Power!
Comrades, viva!
Viva!
Comrades, Azikizaga!
Azikizaga!
My name is Amos Mwao. I'm the dear student, School of Business and Economics, and I'm the aspiring Secretary General under the Great Havens Party. Under my docket, I've noticed that there is a high rate of insecurity around the school. Since you are the core contributors of the economy of Murang'a, we are going to liaise with the county government because it's the work of the county government to ensure that the street lights are lit. Failure to that, we will ensure that the school does something to ensure that the lights are on as a way of giving back to the county ama to the society. Ama namna gani? Secondly, ensure that most of us are being harassed in the gates because of lack of student IDs. We are going to review a policy which says that if you don't have an ID, you can show your student your portal. Unaweza kuwa unakuja, hebu niulize, unaweza kuwa unakuja shule wewe si student. Unaweza kuwa na student portal na wewe si student. So we are going to review a policy that says that if you are a student, you can show your portal and you are able to access the school. So I'm humbly requesting you, come on 20th, let's vote for the Great Havens Party. Thank you.
Comrades, power! Power! Comrades, power! Power! I'm Alex Cherogon, a third-year student in the School of Education Science. I know I am one of you. We are taking the same combination, that is biology and agriculture. So, I will tackle main three issues affecting the university. First one, I will touch on one that is affecting teachers. During attachment, you are expected to look for attachment in a radius of 200 kilometers. So with the increasing number of admission in the university, we need to increase that number of kilometers from 200 to a higher number to allow people to take attachment from their place, hometowns or their place they want. Number two, we want to build a student center. This student center will allow students to transact their business at lower rates inside the university. You are given a chance to open a salon, a kinyozi, a video room in the university. That will help you economically and help you sustain. Number three, we want to eliminate the exploitation by landlords. What do I mean by exploitation? There is a bedsitter maybe, another bedsitter goes for 8,500 and another one goes for 5,500. So we are coming up with a standard price for all the bedsitters around the university.
Comrades, power!
Power!
So I want to identify one or two of our supporters in the class to just say hi. Elkana, just greet these people. Starboy.
Power!
So, as one of you, on that day, just come out in numbers, elect your fellow teacher so that we can present your grievances better. Thank you so much.
Mwalimu power.
Power.
Mwalimu viva.
Viva.
Na hapa pia si ni mwalimu Wotifu. Niko na pia mwalimu Newton. Abonge asibonge.
Abonge.
Sema kitu bwana.
Comrades, power!
Power.
Comrades, power!
Power.
Comrades, wisdom!
Wisdom.
Tuunga katika mkono aingie katika uongozi. Asante.
Sasa nimeshukuru kwa wakati wenu. We are asking you to come out on 20th and vote Havens Party. Mwe na siku njema.